Alright, Wes here with Wes Almeida Restorations. Glad you came back to the channel. Thank you for your subscribers. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to the channel. I'm going to put out some information on how to do some shoes, clean them up, make them look good, and so that you can wear them again. Come right back and I'll show you how you can do this too. You came back, so that must mean you want to learn how to do it, or you just want to see what I can do. Okay, so again, like I said, this is the Nike Air Max Zero Essential Oreo. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we are going to take out the laces and take out the insoles. Okay, both laces are out. I'm gonna put them in a bowl of water with our solution in it. I also have some Oxi Clean in here so we can try to whiten these laces up real nice. So they're going to be sitting in our water and solution for the whole time while we're cleaning the outside. Just going to take out the insoles. By the looks of these shoes, they're not real easy to get up in that compartment, so I may have to use my small toothbrush to get up in that area as well. Okay, both insoles are out. Got them out of here for now. We are going to start with our soft bristle brush, take it to the outside of the shoes, and then we're going to also use the soft bristle brush on our insoles. Let's get started. Gotta take the toothbrush in there. Done with the soft bristle brush for this one. I'm going to move to the medium bristle brush, and we're going to take it to the midsoles. We're going to try to clean all this up. They're pretty trashed, so I'm not sure what's all over it, but we're going to take it off. Enough of that one. Stiff bristle brush, taking it to the outsoles. Lots of dips and grooves in there, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get than our normal ones. We're going to make it work. Let's wipe this thing down, see what we have going. You know what, I'm going to leave the stuff on the outsoles for a little bit. See if I can pull some of that other stuff off. Right, the shoes have been onced over. I'm going to work on these insoles so we can get them ready to go into the laundry bag. Again, we're going to use the soft bristle brush on the insoles as well. Do a little spray wash. See if we can get them. See if we can get that to work inside there a little bit better. All right, shoe trees are in. Heel toe in the bag to go. Okay, so we did our pre-treat on the insoles. Lots of delinting to be coming out too. So. And we also can't forget our laces that have been pre-treating this whole time in our separate bowl. So we're going to knead these up a little bit. Got some section here where it's dingy. I don't know, may have to just go to another pair of laces. Shout out to Juan, thank you very much for letting me use his shoes for the video. All right, and I will be back in just a second. Going to the laundry room now. Okay, we're back from the laundry room. Let's see what we have in here. Take our shoes out. Oh, they look pretty clean. Probably could use a little bit more on the insoles, but I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get much out of it, but we'll see what we can do. Or if you can tell that between each other. Still got a slight dinginess on one of them. He had some paint on the shoes that didn't come out in the wash. Some down and some brown stuff still in the bottom. I'm gonna see if I can take that off, maybe with some some kind of acetone or rubbing alcohol. Sock liner doesn't look too bad. Let's see, let's get the shoe tree out. Some slight work to do on a couple places, but not too bad. They look pretty good. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of touch-ups, and then I'm gonna go to the before and after pictures so that you can see the work that got done. So here they come now.
The brown stain did not come off with the rubbing alcohol, but it did come off with the icebox session.
Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you like what I put out there. I'm sure my friend's going to be very happy to have his shoes back. So, if you like this video, make sure you put that thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave a comment. As always, I appreciate your support. Until next time, peace.